calculator, but most of you will you're just going to use a calculator. You won't solve it by hand. All right, so look, you start at the length given and you end at the variable. But you have to understand, you always have to find that bonded side, okay? All right, so I need to find that. So if I was to pull the triangle out, not that you have to, if you don't need to, you don't have to. Okay, this is 5. All right, if I label it, this is 2, 1, rad 3. Okay, so what's my scale factor? 5/2, right? Okay, so my scale factor is 5/2. So now what's this length then? Well, what's 5? What's this length then? What's 5/2 times rad 3? 5 rad 3/2. That's this bonded side. Remember, this is this side, and now that's the length. 5 rad 3/2. Okay, so now if I pull this triangle out, this is 5 rad 3/2, right? Because that's the shared side. But now I have to relabel it because it's a totally different triangle. 1, 1, rad 2. Okay, this is where it is not the prettiest for you to do without a triangle. I don't want you guys to mess it up like you're like, oh no, I can totally solve it without a calculator. No, don't be a hero. Just throw it in the calculator. So you're gonna hit fraction, fraction. So 5 rad 3, 2, rad 2. And you just hit equal, and you're gonna get 5 rad 6/4, I think? 5 rad 6/4. And you get 5 rad 6/4, and that is a scale factor. So then what is x? X is 1 times 5 rad 6/4 is 5 rad 6/4. And this is your x answer. This is your end-to-end answer.
Do you mind reading on like this paper? Like which one you want this paper, like the actual?
I did the second one. Wait, which?
And which one I do on like the first one? You want to do that on the paper? You know what I mean?
You mean just solve it on the paper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I got number 3.
So just like the first one, which you guys can't see because I forgot to record, right? You have to find the bonded side. You start with the 6, right? We found the rad 2. The scale factor was 3 rad 2. Then you restart it. You relabel the 45, 1, 1 rad 2. You get your scale factor, and then you solve for your x. Okay, so it's just this one you really need the calculator. Because here, and by the way, if you wanted to try it without the calculator, right? Okay, this is really rad 2/1. So if you do the reciprocal property, 1/rad 2, this comes out to 1. But now you're not allowed to have a radical as a denominator. So now you do your rad 2/2. So it's kind of like 2 steps to clean it up. This becomes a 2. Here's your 4. That was supposed to be an equal sign. Whatever. That's a 4, and there's my 5 rad 3 times rad 2. There's my 5 rad 6. That looks really messy. Sorry. Okay. Here, let me shut off the video. You're like, that didn't help.